I did show a video before, but I was just going to show a bit better video of my setup of how I got it, because there was a few things I didn't show before. First of all, one thing, this can be pushed in the webcam, and this can be closed off. And this is just, just a shower door. It was actually one that I had in the other barn, and that closes off like that then. So I've got something, especially because next door I have my wood workshop, so there's a lot of dust, so that was a good way to close it off. And then I just run it in a couple of little bits of track, and it just closes off. My webcam here, I got one of these tripods. I'm sure you've probably seen them. They bend at different points, and they do pop off and they go together. So I just set this up. I normally set mine up running this direction because I make shorts from it, and then I have the computer set up over here mainly for my laser, but now it's handy with this because I can align my webcam up on there. Yep, so that way I can just line my webcam up and watch it on the TV over there. So I'll get it about where I want it. And then this stuff holds pretty well once it's in place. So this cabinet, I have a 3D, I did make a 3D design of it. So I'll show that so you can see how it's actually built from behind. This was how I've done the walls pretty much, and then I just drywalled around it. Just for anyone that's wondering, if you did want to build something like that. I mean, that's how I've done the walls. If you're going to build a room or whatever, it's nice just to design it in 3D. It's, it's not bad really. I mean, if anyone would like a tutorial on how to design like that, I can show you. So just let me know in the comments. But yeah, I just wanted to show that. I'll get back to the video. But just for size, in case people are wondering, this is 29 inches wide. It's 27 deep. And it is 49 tall, because this is about 4 feet tall. The machine itself is in inches. It's about 46 inches, about 46.5 inches to the top of the filament. And then depth, because that's touching the back wall pretty much, to the front there is 19 inches. So you've got 46.5 by 19. I decided to just go with this light, and then I've just got a switch down here that I can just turn the light off. The printer's plugged in over there, so it don't affect the printer. But yeah, and that's just so I can get better time lapse. The more light you have, the better the image is going to look really. So that's another reason why I painted it white. Yeah, I picked up some filaments. This Sunlu, I mean, so far I only tried one roll of the black. I mean, that was it. It didn't come out bad. But the wait time on it I weren't happy with the wait times. Sunlu, they claimed 7 to 10 days, but then, like I say, it took about a month, maybe just a little bit over a month. Yeah, so if you've got any questions, just put them down in the comments and I'll answer them. Thanks very much for watching, and please like and subscribe. And I'll put out another video as soon as possible.